Strapi versus Payload, best since 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Strapi and Payload CMS to help you decide which one suits you best. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that choosing between Strapi and Payload CMS in 2025 depends on your specific needs for content management, flexibility, and scalability. Over here, let's start with Strapi. After that, Strapi is best for developers looking for a customizable, self-hosted CMS with strong API support. Then it offers self-hosted and open source, you own your data. Headless CMS with REST and graphical APIs. Flexible content modeling with an intuitive admin panel. Supports databases like PostgreSQL, MongoDB, MySQL, SQLite. Role-based access control RBAC for user permissions, custom plugins and marketplace to extend functionality. Great for blogs, e-commerce, and enterprise-level apps. Now, moving on to Payload CMS, it is best for developers needing a TypeScript-first, self-hosted CMS with deep backend flexibility. Over here, Payload CMS provides self-hosted and open source with a cloud-hosted option built on Node.js and Express.js with full TypeScript support. NoSQL and SQL database support MongoDB, PostgreSQL, MySQL. GraphQL and REST API support. Custom authentication and user management out of the box. Dynamic access control for fine-grained permissions. More flexible than Strapi for complex applications. Then, if you are wondering which one to choose, here's a simple breakdown. For a more mature CMS with strong community support and easier setup, Strapi. For a modern, developer-friendly, TypeScript-first CMS with deeper backend control, Payload CMS. So that's how you can choose between Strapi and Payload CMS. That's all for this video.